In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to mark text as removed, incorrect, or no longer needed inside a PDF, Adobe Acrobat makes that very simple. The strike-through tool is especially useful when you're reviewing documents, editing drafts, or giving feedback on contracts, reports, or study materials. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along in just a moment. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already loaded inside the app. Before doing anything else, take a second to confirm that you're on the correct page and looking at the section of text you want to edit. This helps avoid marking the wrong part of the document, especially if you're reviewing a longer PDF. Next, find the specific word you want to strike through. Click directly on that word and highlight it. When you highlight the text, try to be precise and select only the word or phrase you actually want to mark. This is important because the strike-through effect will apply to whatever text is selected. If you accidentally highlight too much, simply click away and try again. Once the text is highlighted, a small set of options should appear. In those options, look for the strike-through icon, which usually appears as a letter T with a line crossing through it. Click that icon and Adobe Acrobat will immediately apply the strike-through to your selected text. This visual mark shows that the text is being crossed out without fully deleting it, which is useful when you want others to see what has changed. After applying the strike-through, you also have the option to change its color. To do that, click the color palette in the available options. From there, choose the color you want. Changing the color can help make your edits easier to spot, especially if you're using different markup styles for different types of feedback. For example, one color might be used for removals, while another could be reserved for comments or review notes. And that's it. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, highlight the word you want to mark, click the strike-through icon, and adjust the color if needed. It's a quick tool, but it can make document review much clearer and more professional. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature and can speed up your editing workflow considerably.